Are you already feeling that your special person is one step away from opening their heart? Something tells you that a great revelation is about to happen? Then get ready, because your angel has a powerful message for you. That someone who stirs your thoughts and feelings is about to express everything they feel. Yes, that's right, they are getting ready to finally say how important you are. You are on the verge of a change that will transform your life and bring happiness in a way you never imagined. Want to know how? Stay with me until the end and find out how this declaration will happen. That special person on your mind is going to tell you that they love you. It's almost there. It's really very close to happening. Wherever they are, they remember you and are always keeping an eye on what you are doing. Whether on social media, following what you post, trying to learn more about you, or even through a simple message, they have the habit of following you closely. They think of you frequently, and feel that there is no other person in the world who can replace what you mean to them. This becomes evident when this person is watching a movie, flipping through a magazine, or walking down the street. These are moments when everything around them seems to reference you. Think of someone who, while savoring a meal, the taste makes them think of you, as if you were sharing that moment together. Or seeing someone on the street and noticing the color of their hair, immediately thinking of you. These associations happen frequently and are not something they actively seek, they simply arise in their mind, reinforcing how special you are. Songs they listen to frequently make them think of you, and certain lyrics touch their heart in a way that connects them even more to you. The songs become soundtracks of the feelings they cherish. It is as if the universe conspires to keep you always present in their thoughts and feelings. Many times, this person feels a deep and true love for you, something that transcends logical explanation and manifests itself in small memories and big emotions. This person may already be in your life or perhaps be a secret admirer, someone who watches you from afar and nurtures a deep desire to win your love. They dream of embracing you so intensely that these thoughts keep them awake at night. Yes, this person thinks of you, and they are indeed someone you would find attractive. It is not a strange or uncomfortable feeling, of the type, I really don't know if I would like you. No, you would really like this person. Yes, you would even find them physically attractive, which makes everything more special. The burning energy is definitely present. The mutual attraction is also there. There is imminent progress because this person is about to express their feelings for you. They are holding back a bit now because they have financial issues to resolve. They are trying to get financially organized as much as possible, balancing their finances, which are also directly linked to their emotions. When they feel financially unbalanced, this person becomes emotionally unstable and a bit out of control. Therefore, their main goal at the moment is to stabilize their finances, which makes a lot of sense, as this ties everything together. So yes, they have a bit of work to do in that area, but as soon as they achieve stability, they will come to you, and things will progress naturally and harmoniously. This person really likes you truly. When they think of someone to share life with, you are all they have ever dreamed of. You are the dream they have always had in their heart. They want to build a beautiful life, full of love and happy moments by your side. She wants you by her side, sharing moments, dreams, and achievements. She wants this with all her strength. The truth is that, when this person finally comes to you and expresses their feelings, they will mention specific details about what you posted or commented, things that they wouldn't know if they weren't watching you closely. They will talk about certain moments or places that you may have shared on social media, and you will wonder how did they know that? There's no way for them to know these details if they weren't really paying attention to you, if they weren't following your posts or getting that information from somewhere. This person is keeping an eye on you. They are attentive, following your movements, your words, your feelings. They really care. They really like you. This person knows well that you are the right person, and this certainty puts tremendous pressure on them. They feel the need to compose themselves, to say and do the right things. This pressure is palpable, almost tangible. Furthermore, you meet all the criteria of how someone ideal for this person would be. You present yourself as someone very balanced, which makes you incredibly attractive. The physical attraction they feel for you is deeply rooted in who you are on the inside. Your whole personality, which in their eyes is perfect, makes your physical form also appear perfect. To this person, you are the complete package. They see in you a rare combination of qualities that make them feel safe and appreciated. You are not only someone they can trust, but also someone who inspires them to be the best version of themselves. This feeling is something they deeply value, and that's why the pressure to meet their expectations is so intense. They want to ensure that every word, every gesture, is up to what you mean to them. Your emotional balance, your ability to deal with difficult situations calmly and wisely, make you stand out even more. The way you face life, with optimism and resilience, is something she admires immensely. You have a unique way of bringing light to the darkest days, of finding solutions when everything seems lost, and that makes her want to be by your side always. The attraction she feels goes far beyond the physical. It is a connection based on mutual respect, admiration, and affection. Every detail of your personality enchants her, from your kindness to your determination. She sees in you a potential partner, someone with whom she can build a solid and happy future. You are, to her, the definition of an ideal companion. She knows she needs to live up to everything you represent, which leads her to make even more effort to meet your expectations. At every moment, she desires to be at your level, to demonstrate how much she values and admires you. This creates a dynamic where each interaction is filled with meaning and emotion, making the connection between you even stronger and deeper. This person deeply values your presence in her life. She sees in you not just a partner, but a true life companion. Someone she can rely on in any situation, someone who makes her feel safe and loved. Your presence brings a feeling of peace and happiness, something she has never found in anyone else. And that's why she feels so pressured to do everything right, because to her, you are simply irreplaceable. At this moment, this person is going through a true whirlwind of emotions. On one hand, there is a deep desire to live a stable and satisfying love life. On the other hand, the urgency to financially prepare for the future. Every thought is a constant reminder, I have found an amazing person and I want to impress. I need to be financially stable, I need to be kind, I need to stand out. This mantra motivates her to focus on her finances, striving to be someone consistent, balanced, and secure, someone who has everything under control. She feels the need to show her strength and organization. In her mind, this is essential. I need to organize myself financially so that he sees that I can be stable. I can't be weak, I have to be strong like a lion. This is a responsibility she feels she needs to take on, a challenge to be overcome to feel proud and not ashamed of not being financially prepared. Even though she is in love, she knows that everyday problems do not disappear. And it is by focusing on her finances that she deals with this. This does not mean that she has forgotten about you. In fact, she is working hard to prepare herself and be up to what she believes you deserve. She is seeking a balance between feelings and responsibilities, trying to ensure that when you are together, she can offer the best version of herself. She wants you to see her as a reliable, strong person capable of facing any challenge by your side. This focus on finances is an expression of the love and respect she feels for you. She wants to be ready to build a solid and happy future by your side, and for that, she believes she needs to be financially stable. So if sometimes she seems distant or focused on other things, understand that it is an effort to ensure that when she is with you, she can be fully present, without worries or insecurities. She wants you to be proud of her, just as she is proud of you, and she is willing to do what is necessary to achieve this stability. While she dedicates herself to this, know that the affection and love she feels for you remain strong and present. She is just strengthening herself so that when you are together, everything is truly in place and she can be the partner you deserve. This is her journey now, working hard, strengthening herself, and preparing. She is dedicating her time and energy to becoming someone you can rely on, someone who can face life's challenges by your side, head held high. And that dedication, that willingness to improve, is the biggest sign of how much she cares and wants to be by your side, ready to build a future together. Ultimately, she wants you to see all the effort she is putting in, not as a distancing, but as a preparation for a better future for both of you. She wants to be the person who can face anything by your side, without fear, without hesitation, just with the certainty that together you are stronger. And every step she takes on this path is driven by the desire to be ready, to be the partner you deserve, and to build a full and happy life by your side. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings it contains for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and be attentive to the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.